Oh yeah, what up? What's happening? What's going on? Well, we're here trying to replace the cabin air filter on my 2016 Nissan Sentra, and wow, what a job it's been. I had to take out the glove box and crawl under here. What a pain in the dick, and it's right there. That's where the hole is. What a pain in the ass it is. You know, the dealer will probably charge you 50 bucks to do this. I don't know if you can see, kind of dirty. Okay, maybe a lot dirty. I ordered this guy online from China or some shit for, I don't know, 15 bucks. So I'm saving 30, 35 bucks. I guess there was a lot of dirt, 'cause look at all that dust. But anyways, what a job it's been. So, okay, actually it's a lot dirty. Jesus. Anyway, so I'm gonna bust out the new one here. Alright, I guess there is a ton of difference. Stock and, well, obviously new. That car doesn't even have like 20,000 miles on it, but actually a lot of trash. But anyways, I recommend changing these at least once a year, if you remember, because you don't want to breathe in all that junk. It's going to help the air conditioning work better, and most important, it's going to make the cab not smell. And you don't want a smelly cab. So anyways, this is Mechanics 101 with Slim Shady. So I'm going to put this guy in there. I'm going to squeeze my fat ass in there somehow. Not sure. So yeah, man, wish me luck. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you fuckers later.